Hey guys, today let's make coffee chocolate cake without maida. So this is the very healthy cake and it tastes so yummy. So without any delay, we'll start the process. For this, you have to take half cup of sugar and 2 elaichi or cardamom and grind it to a fine powder as shown in the video. Now take 2 brew coffee packets. So whatever the coffee you have to take half tablespoon of coffee powder. So this is very unique and tasty cake. You also try at your home and let me know in the comment. So in this coffee powder we are going to add very hot water so that our coffee powder will get melt easily. Add around half cup of hot water. Mix it as shown in the video. Now take another bowl. So in this add the coffee and water mixture. Now add grinded sugar and elaichi powder. Mix it with the help of whisk. So that there should not be any lumps. Now add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil which has no flavor. You can even add the coconut oil which we use for chocolate making. Otherwise use 1/4 cup of melted butter or melted ghee. It's up to you, your choice. Whatever you use, our cake will be perfect. Don't worry. Now here I am using wheat flour. I have taken this cup for the measurement. With the same cup I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour. Now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It will give chocolatey flavor. Don't add too much cocoa powder, otherwise our cake will be bitter. Now add pinch of baking soda and half tablespoon of baking powder. Mix everything with the help of whisk or spatula. Since I don't have spatula, I am mixing it with the help of whisk. So mix it in such a way there should not be any lumps in our batter. So here I think this batter is a little bit thick, so that's why I am adding the hot water to make the batter watery. So the batter consistency should be as shown in the video. It should be of ribbon consistency. So this is the perfect consistency of the batter. Now take a cake mold, grease it with oil or ghee and sprinkle some flour so that our cake will come out easily. Now to make it even healthy, I am adding some walnuts. Crush it with your hand and add in the cake batter. This will give the crunchiness to our cake while eating. Now mix everything. You have to be very thick, very quick. So meanwhile heat the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Now add the batter to cake tin. If you have spatula, it will be very easy to add it. So definitely your kids are going to love this. Now after adding the entire batter, you have to tap our cake tin so that there should not be any air bubbles inside it. Now bake the cake at 180 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Now here you can see whether the cake has cooked or not with the toothpick. You have to insert the toothpick inside the cake. If it comes clearly, that means our cake is cooked very well inside also. Now let the cake cools down completely and cut it into pieces. Thank you. Thanks for watching.